If you're watching this video, there's a good chance that you got played and some fat cat CEO or some two-faced politician is sitting around somewhere laughing about it. Because even though the government was supposed to take care of you and the school system was supposed to educate you and your corporate job was supposed to take care of you like you took care of them, as the old saying goes, if you don't look out for yourself, nobody else will. But you trusted them and you got screwed. Our school system and our workforce is broken. Most people never had a chance. Surveys show that most Americans don't even have $1,000 in their bank account. The middle class is dead. Jobs have either been replaced by software or shipped overseas, leaving you either way off or well off. Nearly 18 million students are enrolled at nearly 5,000 colleges around the country, borrowing up to $40,000 a year that they'll be paying off for the rest of their lives. Our society is systematically designed to keep you poor, and it's drilled into your head at a young age. Don't you remember the advice that you received? Be a good little boy or girl. Get good grades. Get a good job. Put money into your retirement account, and you'll be just fine. But the National Institute on Retirement Security reports that most people getting ready to retire have only $3,000 to $12,000 to their name. So what the hell happened? I'll tell you what happened. You got screwed, I got screwed, we all got screwed. We blindly trusted the government, huge corporations, and Wall Street fat cats, and we got left holding the bag. So if you've been stressing out about money, if you've been robbing Peter to pay Paul or living paycheck to paycheck, you can either shut this video off and pretend like you never saw it, you can just sit there and at least hope that they'll use lube as they screw you, or you can do something about it. It's totally up to you. Hey, what's up, my friend? This is Dave Sharp, and I'm launching a brand new program where you can duplicate my proven social media and internet marketing strategies to build a business and a lifestyle that you love. These days, there is no reason why you should not be making $2,000 to $20,000 per month with your own internet marketing business. There is no better way to make money, have fun, and live an awesome lifestyle with such low overhead and minimal startup cost. But why listen to me about internet marketing? My accomplishments include over $170 million in sales on the internet, over 300,000 customers worldwide. My videos, they've been viewed millions of times. I own all of my houses and my cars. I spend every day with my family. I have no debt in business or in my personal life. But most importantly, in the last 5 years, I've paid affiliates just like you over $100 million in commissions. But before we go any further, I just want to take a second and say, I'm sorry. I took some time off in 2014 to deal with some health issues after creating quite possibly more success stories than anything else in the history of affiliate marketing. And since I've been gone, I know that you've had to deal with a lot of crap. Whiz-bang, flash-in-the-pan products, software, and launches. Oh, the launches. Affiliate opportunities that are simply copycats of what's already been done. Shady leadership, boring offers, and lame marketing material, and events that are more like sleep studies than experiences. But I've got good news. The king is back. So what does that mean? Well, I'll tell you what it means. It means that it's time to get ready to get some bank with your boy Dave.